Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot and Western Supermare, and I'm going to show you around this lovely 108 in the active specification. So this car comes with DAB digital radio, has Bluetooth connectivity, air conditioning, it's got a speed limiter, and it's done less than 10,000 miles. So let's have a look around. We are happy to tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, whether that's making an appointment to view a vehicle, using our click and collect service, or taking advantage of Howard's home delivery service. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.